If your WhatsApp account has been banned, this video is going to be interesting for you because I'm going to speak to you about the time frame for the response that you may get from WhatsApp, and along with that I'm going to speak to you about different things that you could expect about the decision that these guys may take on your account. When your account gets banned, I know it's a pain, but you have no other option apart from just sending them appeals. And I have made a lot of videos on this topic on how to get your WhatsApp account unbanned. I have shown you videos on how to send them appeal messages when your account was banned for different scenarios and stuff like that. This is one of them. You could watch this video and learn how to communicate with WhatsApp so that these guys can actually think about reinstating your account if you were not doing anything wrong on WhatsApp. So when you send a message to WhatsApp from their official website, normally what happens is that they answer according to the requests that they get in. I'm sure you get that, right? But I have received a lot of emails in which my viewers are saying that they haven't received a response from WhatsApp for over 2 weeks or 30 days, or I think 2 people told me like 84 and 91 days or something like that. So if you haven't yet received a response for like say 30 days, what I would suggest is you go ahead and send them another request. Okay, don't wait for over 30 days. Don't send in a re-appeal after 1 week. Don't do that. Just wait for 30 days. You have no other option. Sometimes they respond within like 24 hours, sometimes within few hours, sometimes within 2-3 days, sometimes within 7 days, sometimes within 10 days. There is no fixed timing. Okay, if you're asking for a fixed timing, that's the fact actually. If you check online and everything, they may just say that 2 or 3 working days or 24 hours or 48 hours. It doesn't work that way. That's not the reality. The reality is different. As soon as you send them a message, according to the requests that they have received, they are going to answer accordingly. You could also get in touch with the grievance officer for your location. It's very simple to get in touch with the grievance officer. You just type in WhatsApp ban my account and you just select this option out here, account bans. Once you do that, you're going to get directed to this page. You scroll down and click on this option, how to contact the grievance officer and WhatsApp in India. If you are in a different location, you are going to see your country mentioned out here. Okay, most probably you should get this option. I have received messages wherein people are saying they don't see this option, but you should. Okay, here you scroll down after selecting that option and you should get an email out here. Okay, here is the email. You could just copy this email and email these guys directly. You should do it through Outlook because that is a good option. If you do not have Outlook, it's okay. You could send an email via Gmail. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me directly via email. Take care, my friend.